So for AeroPress, what we need is pre-ground coffee, mug, filter paper, the 2 parts of the AeroPress, stirrer, scoop, and your water. So first step, if we pull it apart, we screw off the bottom. We're then going to add the filter paper, and we're just going to put a bit of water in there. Just let it drip through. So once that's happened, just discard that water. Screw it back onto the bottom. The next step is to add a level scoop of coffee, or if you weigh in, we're looking for around 12 gram. Pop it in there. And then we're going to start the pour. So again, if you weigh in, we're looking for around 200 ml of water. Going to give it a quick stir. And then if you just add the top. Once the top is on, we're going to wait around 2 minutes before we push it down. So once the 2 minutes is up, I'm going to hold it and just push it all the way until we get a hissing noise. I can hear the hissing noise. So once we've got that, pull off, you can twist that off and just pop the coffee straight out.